Hi there! Making your YouTube channel grow can be hard these days, but don't worry. In this video, I will show you some simple ways to make it happen. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why it's important to get people interested in your videos. Your viewers are like the fuel for your channel. Without them, your channel won't go very far. So it's really important to figure out what makes people want to watch your videos. There are three main things that make people want to watch your videos. Finding the right audience, making videos they like, and keeping a steady schedule for posting a new videos. First, let's talk about finding the right audience. This means knowing who might like your videos and making videos that they will want to watch. If your videos are not interesting to the people who watch them, they won't watch them for very long. So it's important to know who you are making videos for. Next, let's talk about making videos that people like. Once you know who's watching your videos, you can make videos they will enjoy. Think about what they want to see and what they like. The goal is to make videos that people keep interested and wanted to watch more. Last but not least, it's important to keep posting new videos regularly. If you only post videos once in a while, people might forget about your channel. So try to post new videos on a regular schedule. This will help people interested in your channel and coming back for more. So there you have it.